Hello everyone, welcome to PLE channel. Today let's talk about the importance of X-ray machine in PCB assembly. An X-ray machine is crucial in the PCB assembly process, especially in the electronic manufacturing. Here are some of the key values and applications of an automatic in-rack X-ray inspection system. What is X-ray inspection in PCB assembly? X-ray inspection has emerged as a crucial tool in the PCB assembly industry, offering unparalleled insight into the internal structure of assembly boards. This non-destructive testing method allows manufacturers to identify and address issues that would otherwise go unnoticed, ultimately leading to improved product quality, reduce failure rates, and enhance customer satisfaction. 4 advantages of X-ray machine in PCB assembly. 1. Quality inspection. X-ray machines are used for non-destructive testing of PCBs to ensure the quality of solder joints, component placement, and overall assembly. This helps identify defects or issues such as solder voids, shorts, or misalignments that may not be visible through visual inspection. 2. BGA inspection. X-ray inspection is especially important for BGA components, where the solder joints are hidden beneath the component. X-ray can penetrate the outer layers of PCB and provide a detailed view of the solder connections, ensuring that they are properly formed and without defects. 3. Component verification. X-ray machines are used for verify the correct placement and alignment of smaller components such as 0201 and 01005 signed surface mounted device, where visual inspection may be challenging due to their small size. 4. Detecting defects in multi-layer PCBs. X-ray inspection is valuable for identifying defects in multi-layer PCBs, as it can reveal internal shorts, open circuits, and misalignment between different layers. How do X-ray inspection work? To understand X-ray inspection, you must first understand how X-ray inspection works. All X-ray inspection devices share the basic characteristics. X-ray tube. This tube is capable of producing X-ray photons. Detector. On the other side of the sample, the detector captures and collects X-ray photons, converting them into an image. Platform. The sample is moving in different directions by the operation platform, allowing it to be inspected from various angles and magnitudes. Overall, the value of an X-ray machine in PCB assembly lies in ability and provide detailed and non-destructive inspection, ensuring the reliability and functionality of electronic assembly. It contributes to higher product quality, process efficiency, and reduce manufacturing defects.